Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add an animation in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to add animations on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add an animation to an element in your website in Hostinger website builder, it's simple. Just select the element first, then click on edit text, for example, and here click on these three dots or more options. And next to animation, you can select your animation style from this list. For example, this is a fade animation, this is a slide animation, and this is a scale animation. Let's give this text element the scale, or let's add the scale animation for this text element. Now let's see how to add an animation, for example, to an image. Where is an image? For example, this image or this photo element. Select the element like that, click on edit feed, then switch to the animation tab, and from here same thing, you can select between no animation, a fade animation, slide animation, or a scale animation. Let's give it a fade animation and close it. And of course, if you only need to create one animation or to add one animation to an element, after after selecting your animation style, don't forget to update your website from here. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Don't forget to update your website from here to publish this new added animation. Let's view my website live. As you see, this text element loaded using an animation. Let's see it again. As you see, this is, I think we've used the scale animation. Now let's jump to this Instagram. Now let's jump quickly. I can't see the animation because I scroll down. Now let's add an animation here, and then apply or add an text, let's add a photo element here and give it an animation. Where is the photo? This is it. This is my photo. Let's place it here. Now to add an animation to a photo in Hostinger website builder, select the photo element first, then click on edit image, then go to animation and select the animation style. Let's update my website, view it live, and as you see, the photo used an animation. Let's select a different animation style, view site live. As you see, this photo came with an animation. Now let's see. I think that's all. Same thing, you can add an animation to a video. Let's delete this, then add the video element, edit video, go to animation and select your animation. Now, as you see, there is a difference. For a text element, you need to go to edit text and then click on more options. For photo or video element, directly you will see animation tab. For text, you need to click again on more options, then you will see the animation. And this is how to add an animation in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.